Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install LibreOffice in Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now, before installing LibreOffice, let us first understand what the software basically does. Now, you might have already used Microsoft Office, right? So there you might have used these Microsoft Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and all those software, right? But those are paid one. You need to pay some amount to use that. In this video, I'm going to show you about a software which is basically open source and it's absolutely free. And the software is LibreOffice. So using this LibreOffice, you can use all those features that you used to get using this Microsoft Office. I am going to demonstrate this LibreOffice software at the later part of the video. Now let us see how to download and install this LibreOffice software, which is absolutely free. So for that, you need to just simply go to your favorite browser, and in here you need to just simply type LibreOffice, download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this first one is add. So just simply scroll down a bit and you'll be seeing this www.libreoffice.org. So just simply click on this download LibreOffice. This will automatically going to redirect you to this official website of LibreOffice. In here, if you just scroll down a bit, you'll be seeing this LibreOffice 7.1.3 is basically our latest version, right? So depending upon what operating system you are using, you need to just simply click on that. I am currently using this Windows 64-bit operating system. So what I am going to do is I am going to simply select this Windows 64-bit operating system. If you are using Linux operating system or Mac or Windows 32-bit, then you need to simply proceed with all those things. But in this video I am going to show you about Windows 64-bit installation. So just simply select that and then just simply click on this download button for download. I'll be also putting the link in the description, so you don't need to worry about the link and all. So in here they basically gave this torrent option. If you want to download using torrent software, then you can do that. In this video I am going to simply show you a direct download. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser and if I just go to my download directory, you can clearly see this LibreOffice 7.1.3 has been rightly downloaded over here. Now to install, you need to just simply double click on it for installation. And then let us first minimize my download directory. And you can clearly see our installation wizard has been rightly opened for LibreOffice 7.1.3.2. To install, let us first simply select this next. And they basically gave you these two options. One is this typical installation, another is this custom installation. If you want to do custom installation, then you can always do that. In this video I am going to simply proceed with this typical installation, which is also a recommended one. So just simply select that and then just simply click on next. And now it's saying that whether we'd like to create a desktop shortcut. So for that I'd like to create a desktop shortcut so that I can easily open it for easier access, and I don't want to load our LibreOffice during startup. So for that I am just simply going to uncheck that. I am just simply going to only check this create desktop shortcut and then just simply click on install for installation. And this will automatically going to start installing LibreOffice 7.1.3.2. Before that you need to give these administrative privileges. So for that just simply select yes, and it will going to start installing. And meanwhile it's telling that the setup must update files or services that cannot be updated while system is running. So just simply click on OK. So we need to restart our machine after installation of this LibreOffice 7.1.3. So as you can clearly see, our installation has been rightly begun. It will take some time, maybe a minute or two. So for which I'll be coming back after installing LibreOffice 7.1.3. Yeah. So welcome back. And now as you can clearly see, our installation has been rightly completed. So just simply click on finish. And then it's telling that we must restart our system. So for that I'd like to simply click on yes to restart our machine. So I'll be again coming back after restarting my machine. Yeah. So welcome back. And now as you can clearly see, our LibreOffice has been rightly installed and our desktop icon has also been created. So you can just simply double click on it to open. You can also open by simply searching LibreOffice over here, and you will be getting these links. So you can also open from this LibreOffice. So let us first open our LibreOffice from here. And now as you can clearly see, our LibreOffice community version has been rightly launched. So that's basically the interface of our LibreOffice. So it's now currently telling that welcome to LibreOffice. So you can drop a comment over here, and so you can also drag and drop any document over here, or you can also pick it from just simply going to this open file. I'm going to show you that. Now these are the things that you basically see in your MS Word, right? So this writer document is basically this MS Word of this MS Office, and this calc spreadsheet is basically MS Excel of MS Office, and this Impress presentation is basically the PPT, what is called that Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And they have additionally this draw drawing, then math formula, and also this base database. So I am going to show you these three important app that this LibreOffice usually provide. So one is this writer document. So just simply double click on it. So this will automatically going to open a writer document. You can, for the time being, just simply click on OK about this tip of the day. If you want to read about the 7.1's newest release notes, so you can just simply click on that. For the time being, just simply I'm going to simply click on cancel. And this is basically the interface of our LibreOffice. So it's pretty much same to what Microsoft Word also provide. You can always change your interface style by just simply going to view, then user interface, and then you can change this to tabbed. So this will going to make this tabbed way, or you can tab compact, grouped bar compact. So you can always select as per your wish. So I'm going to simply use this standard toolbar for the time being. I just want to show you that you can also change this interface by simply going over here. So if you want to apply it for all other apps, so in that case you need to simply click on this apply to all, or if you want to just apply to this writer, then you need to just simply click on this apply to writer, and then just simply click on close. So this will going to apply you about that. So here you can write your simple text. So in this text here you can write your simple document. So for the time being I just simply going to type. So welcome to Geeky Script, and if you want to save this file as a PDF file, then it's very simple in this LibreOffice. So for that you need to just simply go to file, then just simply select this export. So this will automatically going to open this new window. So in here you can save this file as XHTML, PDF, then you can also save this as EPUB, then MediaWiki, then JPEG, and also for writer layout XML, and also for PNG. In this video I'm going to show you this PDF format. You can always save in other format, so you need to simply proceed with those links in that case. And just simply give a document. So let's give a document name as a Geeky Script, and just simply click on save. And here they basically gave you this PDF option. So I want to save this as all, and just simply keep this all other things default, and then just simply click on export. So now if you just simply go to your document directory, you can clearly see this Geeky Script file has been rightly created over here. So just simply double click on it. I have already installed this Adobe Acrobat Reader. So here you can clearly see this file has been rightly opened as a PDF file. So this is basically what you can also do by simply clicking on this export button. You can always export this file as a PDF file. And if you want to just simply save this as doc file, then just simply go to file, then simply click on save. So this will also going to open a new window. So in here you need to give a file name as well. So just give the same file name, but this time I would like to save this file as a doc file. So for that you can select any of these Word. So let's simply select this Word 7, and then just simply click on save. And if you again go to your command prompt, you can clearly see this Geeky script file has been rightly saved as a Microsoft Word. So if you have if you want to send this doc to any of your friends who are using Microsoft Word, so they can also read this file. So in this way you install LibreOffice. Similarly, you can also use the spreadsheet. So this is basically the the interface of our page sheet. It's pretty much same to what we used to use in this MS Excel. And talking about the presentation, it's also pretty much same. So if you just open that, so here you need to first simply select one template. So let us first simply select this focus template, and here it is, you can clearly see that is also pretty much same to what we used to see in this Microsoft PowerPoint. So in this way you install LibreOffice, and then I have also rightly shown you how to use this LibreOffice. It is a very good software, and most importantly it is open source, so that means it is basically free to use. So you don't need to pay any amount to buy Microsoft Office. You can just simply install this LibreOffice software, and you can use each and every feature that this MS Office used to give you. So that is basically all about this video. I have this website called geekyscript.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do also check out our website geekyscript.com. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and so do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you.